welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a kit called Paper Garden, which looks like this. And when you've done it, my great English skills these days, it's gonna look like something like this. On the back it says that it contains a paper garden model with a USB growing light and some pot and something called a plant saucer, which I have no idea what that is, and an instruction manual. So this is what we get to work with. A sheet for the roof, a sheet for, I bet that's supposed to be here, a sheet for the base, and a sheet for the backing, which is the wall. Here's the instruction manual, which has the materials and the steps. Here are the seeds, which, whoops, I did not expect. Here's the LED light. I forgot the seed instructions, which looks pretty cute. Here we've got the type of seeds, which is randomly packaged. On the top it tells us what else is included, which some of them aren't shown on the backing, so that's why I didn't know that there are seeds in the package. So see ya to those. Here are the decorations we get to work with. The two miniature pots, this squeezer thingy that sucks up water, those miniature dry plants, which are so cute, I love them, and I'm impressed. And those soil that's made out of pieces of wood. By the way, I forgot to film the USB cable, but it's just normal USB cable. Sorry to interrupt here, but from now on, I'm just gonna leave you here to watch me go through this whole kit. I'm back and here's my review for But here's my review for this paper garden kit. Okay, so overall this kit was very good. I'm gonna start from the cons. One thing that I struggle with the most is, okay, let's just say that you have to connect the cardboards together, and when you do that, it's very hard to do it because the cardboard is hard and this part is kind of thick. But I understand that the company or whoever that made this kit wants the cardboard to stay connected, and I mean, that's the only con I have. There are a lot of pros, it's very decent, and instructions are clear, and there's only like 6 or 8 steps. I think it was 8 steps. And I also like how on here it did say that you can change the colors, since here's the orange one and here's the green one. I just found another con. So when I was trying to make... I'm just gonna say this part in the voiceover because I kind of struggled over here. As I said, there are 2 colors, and I like the color of the orange better, but the slant of the green one better. I tried combining those 2, but it didn't work. Anyways, I did enjoy this kit, and if you can find them, I'll definitely recommend it to you, as you can grow seedlings in there. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like/thumbs up, whatever you call it. Please subscribe to the bottom down below if you want to watch my future videos. Bye!